the start of the Redscar Memorial Walk, but it coincides with Coulter's Woodland Walk as well. So it's a part of the crematorium, this, but I'm Park Columbus and I park up just down at the bottom, away from the crematorium, next to the industrial estate. If you come here, the Redscar Memorial Walk starts here, part of the Guild Wheel, the Ray Wheel, the Guild Wheel. So there you are, the Guild Wheel. And scattered around the nature reserve, I've seen a few which along the walks I've been on over the past, and they'll have them scattered around here. There. Welcome to Redscar Manor and the area where Coulter's stood until 1980. Tells you about the history of the site. So there you go, this is where we're going to start walking down here. Just part of the Guild Wheel, up near Redscar. Yeah, we're just down at Redscar and Coulter's Nature Walk. As you can see, all around it's woodland. It's part of the Guild Wheel, near Preston Crematorium. So I'm going to have a walk down here. Of course, I've never really been down this way, because I parked up just at the other side on Roman Way Industrial Estate. Of course, my mate up there, parked up in his camper passing through Preston. There you go. There's a crematorium behind them trees there. So we're just going to head down this way and we'll see what we come across. Got like bird tables here, and like you can go in woodlands here. Old trees what have been chopped down, more bluebells, and it's just see if we can see any wildlife as well. I've just read another sign, and it says it says on the sign it's called Deadwood Woods, because of all the trees what they chop down, they leave the wood, like the tree trunks and all that, for nature. And this is another part of it where you can walk through, and it takes you over into another country walk here. Coming out of the woodland area, we're coming into like open air a bit now. Let's have a look at this sign here. This sign, William Cross it's called, and the Winkley Square Connections. So if you're in the Preston area and you're up near the crematorium where the crematorium gates are, you can park up and join the Guild Wheel and have a walk down it. This is part of the Guild Wheel. So I'm going to have a good walk down here now, see what we can see. So follow me, come on. Yeah, so I'm going to walk this way. I'm not walking that way, as it takes you back to where I come. Down there is a river, the River Ribble. I'm going to walk down this pathway, see what we can see. It's a nice night. You can see the sun over there behind the clouds. Can you? Just behind the tree. It's a cool night. It's not cold. It's been a nice day. So what more do you want? I ain't got my selfie stick with me. I've got another selfie stick. It's just a bit loose at the top. So if you see a bit of shaking in the film, you'll know. These are like pathways to it as well. It's up near Redscar Industrial Estate and the crematorium. See down here, that's a river down at the bottom. And we're walking this way. There's quite a big drop there. Can you see? It's a little bit of water coming out of it. And it runs all the way down to the river. But we're walking this way up this track. It's a good walk, good for fitness. Gets the heart going. I've got my water. So we're going to have a walk up here. What a beautiful view that is. And look at that uprooted tree there. Big roots on that. Anyway, look at that. Let me take you around so you can actually see the size of it. What's snapped off here. And you wonder why it's called Deadwood Woods. It snapped off the stump there. And there you go. Brilliant. Let's carry on walking. Let's carry on walking down this nature trail and see what we can come across. I've just come to this bank in here and look at the drop on that all the way down to the river. Quiet, nice, cool night. So what more do you want? Yeah, we come to like a crossroad, like a roundabout thing in the road. Still part of the Guild Wheel. We'll have a walk down this way. Now we're back on the Guild Wheel here. As you can see, people walking up. But look at the look how steep the hill is going down. It's a steep hill that. Just show you again, it goes into all the woodlands there and everything. And there you are, that's an incline going down. Follow it down, and one day, in the next couple of weeks or next couple of months in summer, I'll be walking it, or I'll be walking down here, taking you to other places what I've been told about, or even cycling if I get myself a bike. Well, yeah, I'm happy I found this. Through them trees there, I was just talking to somebody then, and that's Brockholes Nature Reserve, which is near Tickle Trout at Preston. So I'll be going there as well one day. I'll be doing a film there if we can find a park up local round there. Back now to the Van Columbus and get a brew on and take it from there. I don't know whether to stay where I'm parked up there, where I am now. I don't think I will. I'll be moving on somewhere else. Breathe in, Craig. So we're walking back a different way, so there you go. Back into open field now. I love these country walks. Keeps you fit and it gets you places where you really I've never really been before, and I'm local to this area. Yeah, I'm still walking back to the van now, heading this straight in front of us. heading into the woodlands, like a woodland walk. There you go. I spot a deer, so I zoom the camera in and try and catch it, and I do, going across the road. Have a look now. There you go. There you are, Redscar Memorial Walk. And that's where it starts off here. Just where the bin is, turn left and that's where it starts off. And there's Michael Atkins, 1942 to 2013. A socialist cyclist and co-founder of the Guild Wheel. That's at the entrance to where the Guild Wheel is there. This is the road leading out of the crematorium. It's a public footpath what leads up to it, but you cut off where I showed you in the film at the start of the nature walk. Redscar Memorial Walk. So, there you go. I hope you've enjoyed the walk, and I'll see you when I get back to Columbus. I get back to Columbus, I have a brew, and I decide to head up to Ray Green and park up at Harry's place. I parked up last night at Harry's place at Ray Green, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing today, but good little park up. And I'm going to make myself a brew and some breakfast. Well, I had a good night's sleep at Harry's place. I've just jumped in a shower, had a quick shower, and I'm going to nip back to Preston, sort an appointment out and take the day from there. Catch you later. Bye bye.